Hi friends, my name is Sinan Ansari. I am from Savita Engineering College, Department of Information Technology. So today I am going to discuss about Banana Republic and we'll later discuss history, today's and strength, weakness and threats. So what is Banana Republic? In political science, the term Banana Republic describes a political unstable country with an economic dependent upon the exportation of a limited resource product, such as banana or minerals. In 1991, the American author O. Henry coined the term to describe the Honduras and neighboring the countries under economic exploitation by US corporations such as the United Fruit Company. Typically, a banana republic has a society of extremely stratified social classes, usually a large embossed working class and a ruling class plutocracy, composed to the business, political, and military ethics of that society. The ruling class controls the primary sector of the economy by the exploitation of labor. So, thus, the term banana republic is a pejorative descriptor for a servile dictatorship that abets and support for kickbacks, the exploitation of large-scale platinum agriculture, especially banana cultivation. So now we are going to discuss history. The, the first Banana Republic was opened in 1978 in San Francisco by Mel Ziegler. Originally known as Banana Republic Travel and Safari Clothing Company, specialization in travel and safari wear. So originally owner Mel Ziegler resigned, starting the had cultural and creative difference with the management of Gap. Started to introduce new colors and fabrics as well as new product lines such as accessories and sleepwear. So I'm going to today today there are over 575 stores worldwide including Canada, Asia and Europe. So in 2008 Banana Republic's total sales were 2723 million all around the world. So next we will discuss strength. Sell both men and women's clothing. The Banana Republic is selling a worldwide men's and women's clothing. So next is a strong supply chain. And next variety of clothing including casual and business wear, swimwear, handbags, jewelry and other. So clothing more fashionable than some other competitors, which means offer in store promotions catered to target a market. So next we will discuss the weakness. Over dependence on the US market, dis- declining cash flows and do not introduce new product as often as competitors. So next one is price zone high for some in target markets and the minimum advertising. Next we will discuss the threats. Competitors in the market and nature of the retail market whereby the country is operated as a private commercial enterprise for the next exclusive property of the ruling class that such as exploitation is enabled by collusion between the state and economic monopolies, so in which the profit delivered from the private exploitation of public lands is private property while the debts included thereby the financial responsibility of the public treasury, such as imbalanced economic remains limited by the uneconomic development of town and the country. So and usually reduces the national currency into develop the inevitable for described the fictional Republic of Anchuria. The book Cabbages and Kings, collection of related short story inspired by his experiences in Honduras. Yeah, thank you.